on behalf of all the residents, I want to take this opportunity to give a huge thank you to everyone who helped us up when this disaster knocked us down. We're filled with gratitude for every seemingly small gesture that was made when we were forced to flee our homes. Most of us left with practically nothing, and in true Canadian style, we were met with open hearts and open homes.
At the same time that we mourn, we also remember how firefighters, first responders, neighbors, friends, evacuees, and volunteers showed the world what it means to be an Albertan. We showed the world that even under extreme pressure, facing extreme danger, Albertans look out for one another.